Like, actually, you might be able to... Randy, I'm pretty sure this is gonna get me killed. You're crazy! You gotta get lower, you gotta...
Wait. I'll do lower and slower. We got this.
Yeah, lower and slower, and I'll do it. Jesus. Hey, you're pretty good at flying this thing. Alright, guys, here we go. This is the worst plan I've ever heard of, but... so if I get knocked out... Oh my god, what are you... Randy, the loot! It's on the glove box! Randy! Randy! We had like $100,000! Randy!
Just turned off, bro.
What happened?
It didn't turn back on.
I should have kept it in my pockets, man. Wait, the stuff. Get it out of the glove box. Oh wait, we can't. We're dead.
I got all this.
Good thing you grabbed it before we